A crystal stream winds through Wyoming's high country, home to diverse aquatic life that thrives in cold, clear water. The Yellowstone cutthroat trout is an iconic native, flashing orange-red markings as it darts through riffles. Rainbow trout, introduced widely, gleams with speckled sides and a pink stripe that catches the light. Brook trout haunt cold pockets of springs and shaded streams, their marbled patterns blending with the shadows. In Wyoming's lakes, lake trout lounge in deeper shelves, their elongated bodies cutting through cold water. Paddlefish glide through muddy bottoms of some rivers, using their long rostrums to sense the water. Defined by their unique mouth, suckers quietly forage along riverbanks in some Wyoming waterways. Bull trout, a cold water specialty, require pristine streams where gravity-fed springs keep temperatures low. Wyoming's Snake River hosts white sturgeon in deeper sections, ancient giants navigating slow currents. Beavers shape their world by building lodges, creating ponds that support a whole community of aquatic life. Muskrats skim the surface, their heads above water, as they search for aquatic plants. American white pelicans and other waterfowl propel themselves with powerful wings and broad feet across Wyoming lakes. West Slope cutthroat trout and other native prefer cold spring-fed streams with clean gravel beds. Chinook salmon habitat is limited here, but their distant cousins echo their presence in the vast western river systems. Turtles, including map turtles, bask on sun-warmed rocks along Wyoming's rivers and lakes. Amphibians like the Wyoming toad thrive near water edges, their calls echoing across wetlands. Water lilies and algae create habitats that support small invertebrates and juvenile fish. Crayfish lurk under rock, serving as vital prey for larger fish and amphibians. In spring, hatches bring a flurry of aquatic insects that fuel the Wyoming food web. Lakes like Jackson and Yellowstone host diverse plankton communities that sustain larger fish. Cormorants and mergansers hunt fish with precision, dipping underwater without the splash. Wyoming's rivers host seasonal migrations where young fish drift with the current to reach new habitats. Freshwater mussels filter the water, contributing to clarity and nutrient cycling in lakes and rivers. Giant salamanders and aquatic life in cooler streams show Wyoming's hidden underwater diversity. During ice out, trout spawn runs illuminate river edges with flashes of color. Littoral zones of Wyoming lakes host tiny crustaceans that feed larger fish and insects. The Snake River watershed supports a tapestry of life, from minnows to migratory birds. Seasonal floods sculpt habitats, creating new egg deposition sites and nurseries for fry. Native musk dwellers like Wyoming chubs maintain balance in these alpine waterways. In winter, ice creates a quiet cathedral where air bubbles reveal the dynamics below. Invertebrates like snails and fingernail clams pepper the lake bottoms, essential to nutrient cycles. Conservation efforts keep cold water habitats intact, ensuring these species endure for generations. Cascading streams and national forests provide refuge for juvenile fish seeking safety. Wyoming's aquatic life is a mosaic of native species and introduced players shaping the rivers. Even in remote lakes, algae mats shelter tiny underwater ecosystems teeming with life. The pulse of Wyoming's waterways continues as long as clean water remains the rule of the land.